Yeah.
Trying a different way of sharing Skype, so hopefully that goes out to the audience. Yes, you're now presented to the audience, John, and the Hangout, hopefully.
Oh, that's cool, man. So a few people mentioned the rumpus. Is this the rumpus, the same one?
Yes, it is.
Yes.
Well, this is the same person who said air is not the atmosphere. So I don't
What on the
know.
last show?
I wouldn't trust him to tell me the air pressure in his tire. What are you listening to him for?
That kid that came on
Yeah.
yesterday made the same claim. So
Yeah, we were watching Red Pill show.
Rumpus is the equivalent intellect to the child that came on yesterday. He made the same claim. Nonsense.
Air is not the atmosphere. Ollie oxen free. Clown.
But the thing was, we just missed what point he was trying to make because he just kept over talking Red Pill, and he was just bad. It was awful.
All right, I got 3 quick presentations. I'm gonna make it real quick. So, did you guys hear that the spinning space monkeys think they live on a level curve? Did y'all guys hear that before?
Yeah.
Let me show you. You know, with Clown Show Soundly's Causeway Bridge.
I hear level curves are in fashion in 2019.
Yeah, you see, I think they're forgetting about the main tenet of their space monkey religion is that every point along the tangent from their feet drops. That is, vertical drops away from them at 8 inches per mile squared, right? That's their current religion. I've been hearing it for about 4 years now. I'm pretty sure that that's it. Could be mistaken. So what are we going to do on this 24-mile length bridge, right? We're going to look at the shoreline and see the elevation of the shoreline because vertical drop means vertical drop in elevation, right? So I'm getting 3 foot, 2 foot, 1 foot. Let me go over here. Looks like 4 foot, 1 foot. You get the picture, right? You guys understand that, right? So that's point B. Let's go to point A. Over on the northern side of the bridge, real quick, come down to the shoreline. Get over there. So let's say, hey. So let's see what we got here. We have 0, probably in the water. Now we got 1 foot, 2 foot, 1 foot, 1 foot, 3 foot. So you guys getting the picture, right? See, this side of the bridge, point A side of the bridge, and point B side of the bridge is at the same elevation. So where is the 8 inches per mile square drop?
There isn't any. The Earth is flat.
Is that it? Is that all the answers? Because I had a scholarly rebuttal in Discord. You guys want to see that?
Yeah.
See what they got. This is what I got in Discord. Let me make it a little bigger so you can see it. Don't worry about the words. They don't mean too much. So can everyone see this?
Clown on a bridge.
Yeah. It appears that he and his husband went out for a picnic in Narnia, right? So this is what I got. This is what it's come down to with the Globetards proof. Does anyone see a problem with their little cartoon here?
Yeah, the observations are done at the shoreline, and according to the spinning ball space monkey religion, you're at the top of the ball when you make that observation, and from your feet, at the top of the ball, there is 8 inches per mile squared drop, vertical drop in all directions.
That's right. From the big clown shoes, from Clown Show's feet right here, it's from his feet, right? I also told him I want to put 5 more bridges on this side and 5 more bridges on the other side to make it a little bit more realistic. But you see this? The tangent goes out from his feet in a straight line.
Hold on, this might be a fair point. I've just thought of something. I'm sorry, I know you've only shown this to us. Just check on the Pontchartrain bridge to see that it's not increased in elevation at the centre, as this would imply. Because so far you've only checked the shores, right? It might be that the bridge is actually massively higher in the middle.
It could be.
Can we have a look? It's worth checking. I mean, I've never checked.
Can you zoom in on the clown's face?
Is that clownly? Is that
Hold on a
clownly?
second, Nathan.
It looks like rumpus, doesn't it?
All right, 1 second.
Clownly.
Hey.
Yeah, clownly.
Yeah. Clownly. I like that.
That's as far as I can go, man.
Yeah, it's clownly.
Clownly.
That's awesome.
Okay, but
All
it is
right,
worth double checking. They might be right in this assertion. So before we make too hasty, let's just check that Pontchartrain Bridge isn't massively elevated in the middle, as this seems to be suggesting.
All right, let's go. How do we got to do this here? It's right in the middle, right? That should be right there.
Yeah, roughly where the clown was.
This right here doesn't
Yeah.
look like it's elevated.
Well, just if you hover over it, what does it say?
It says, what?
Information on the
giving me-
bridge says that its max height is 14 feet 6 inches.
It's giving me minus 15 right here.
Minus 15?
Yeah.
That's a bit of a problem.
Let me come back. Let's do something.
We're a bit hasty saying it's a flat Earth proof. It could be that Google's
Concave.
It's concave. It ain't moving. 15 feet the whole time. Maybe it's something with my Google Pro, man. Does anyone else have this application? Can check this?
Ranty's got the Google
Checking
Earth Pro.
the information on the website for Lake Pontchartrain.
No, don't worry about that. We're looking at what Google Earth says. So Google Earth says 0 at the start, and then you go to the other side, and there's no drop. It's the same bloody height. It's flat. That's what they're saying. That's what Google says. But the Muppets have come back from the globe religion and said, no. The middle is massively elevated because it's curved. So the curve's in the middle, not at each side. It's the same at each side, and it's raised in the middle. That's what they're saying. So obviously it's the same at each side because it's raised massively in the middle, but it doesn't seem to be backing that when you check on Google Earth.
Yeah, the minus meter must be the depth of the water to the ocean floor.
Yeah, didn't Ron Hamburg come on the other day and pan the entire bridge and it was flat as fuck?
Yes, he did.
Yep. I remember.
Yeah. On this side of the argument, we're well aware that the Earth is obviously and observably flat, and Google backs us.
Right.
Huh. Well, let's take a look, just real quick. Maybe a little education for him. That level is flat. So from Merriam-Webster, level to make a line or surface horizontal, make flat or level. I don't think, I see them having a big problem with this. So level synonyms: flat, flush, plane. Level, flat, plane, even, smooth means having a surface without bends or curves or irregularities. And for drop, does everyone understand that drop only occurs vertically?
Yes.
That there's no horizontal drop?
It wouldn't be dropping if it was horizontal.
So height, altitude, elevation means vertical distance. Vertical. They're just not understanding this. I don't think so. Okay, that's the end of the second presentation. Any comments on that one?
No, but I will shout out Yuya for smashing the super chat. Thank you very much indeed. It flew by without me noticing. She also super chats in the second channel. Subscribe now to Nathan Oakley, where we have the pre-show and after show. Hopefully that's bought John enough time to bring up his third presentation.
Yeah, the third one is someone sent this to me, and this is from Toady Liley. His experiment. I think he's one of the knuckleheads on Jose's show. His experiment. So I'll just read the first 3 lines. Or the first 4. What is the lake test using the scientific method and approach? The lake test is a test. Really? A little bit redundant there, don't you think? As follows. Following the views of scientific expedient. What is scientific expedient?
I think it's called word salad.
Hypothesize and falsifiable evidence. So his observation, everyone listen up. If the Earth is a globe, then why does the lake surface appear to so flat? Hypothesis. Okay, wait a second.
That's a nice
hypothesis.
observation.
The lake is flat and there is no curvature of the Earth. So let me get rid of this. I copied this. Make it easier. Let's take a look at this. Oh, so we know who we're talking about. It's this dumb animal right here. It appears he and Jesse and George.
Oh, it's a lion.
Does he have a name?
Who Who else identified as a lion?
Do you have a name?
Never mind.
These guys are getting in cahoots, boy. Better
Aslan.
watch out.
Aslan
Closed
from
thermoses are
Narnia.
open
Aslan.
systems. That's who he's. Closed thermoses are open systems. George Hanatuck. Boy, this thing is going to work out well. But this is who we're talking about here. All right, let's check this out. So I wrote this up so we could see it better. So Toady moron here. Like I said, I just copied what he wrote. Let's go over this again. So the lake test is a test, right? So the test is a test. That's profound. As follows: following the views of scientific expediency. I don't know what that means. I've never heard that before in my life. Hypothesize. Make sure you get some spell check action going on there, brother. And falsifiable evidence. So let me run this by you one more time. The observation. If the Earth is a globe, then why does the lake surface appear so flat? ? Any comments?
Can I just answer the question? Because it's not a globe, it is in fact flat.
No. This is the observation.
Yeah, but that's not an observation.
Oh, okay. We'll go with the usual. It's not an observed phenomena.
Yeah,
We're going to get to that here in a second. I thought I'd leave that out there for you. So his hypothesis, the lake is flat and there is no curvature of the Earth.
Independent variable, dependent variable, null hypothesis.
We're getting there. Okay. Let's make it quick. Asshat. You'd fail 5th grade general science and a 60-level basic reasoning course. Let's take a look at this observation. If the Earth is a globe, then why does the lake surface appear so flat? So number 1, observations are not questions. Number 2, it's observe a natural phenomena and not observation. Number 3, why does the lake surface appear so flat is a concrete noun, not a phenomenon. Number 4, the natural phenomena observed is your dependent variable. So what's the dependent variable in your train wreck question observation up here? I'm going to take the liberty here in a second to figure out what it is because there's not one, but I'm going to give them one. So hypothesis, the lake is flat and there is no curvature of the Earth. Dipshit, scientific hypotheses are cause and effect suppositions. What's the dependent variable again? I'll tell you what, let's use your train wreck question observation. Lake surface appears so flat. All right, we're going to use this as the dependent variable because it's the only one that's semi-coherent, even though it's not a dependent variable. We got to use something. Number 3, what's the independent variable? That is the cause of your lake surface appear so flat. Train wreck question observation dependent variable. There is no curvature of the or Earth, or is there some combination thereof? So let's take a look at this. So is causes lake surface appear so flat? Is that the one? No causes lake surface appear so flat? Let's combine them. No curvature causes lake surface appear so flat? Of causes lake surface appear so flat? The causes lake surface appear so flat? Or Earth causes lake surface appear so flat? Which one of these?
This is incoherent nonsense.
Say again?
Yeah, you can't pull one out. It's incoherent nonsense that doesn't have one. So you're not going to pull out an independent or a dependent variable out of this completely incoherent nonsense. But I applaud your attempt.
Yeah, I had to try something. So an easy way to tell, other than just the slap in the face incoherency, is to formulate the null. So here's the null for each of these independent variables. Does not cause lake surface appear so flat? No, does not cause lake surface appear so flat? No curvature does not cause lake surface appear so flat? Of does not cause lake surface appear so flat? The does not cause lake surface appear so flat? Or Earth does not cause lake surface appear so flat? Please, we need to hear this. We need to get this ironed out before you do your test. And for the last one, and this is what I was talking about when I was priming this with Arwen. I was just screwing around yesterday and jumped in. I seen Arwen's mug on there. So I just jumped in along with Toady's. This is what Toady had to say. He's talking about fossils and walking along the beach. So, Toady, you walk up the beach and you see the very basic creatures at the bottom, and you walk up a bit and there is more advanced creatures. Then there is nothing for a few layers. Then there's more advanced creatures, and then pseudo dinosaurs. I'd like to know what that is, and fish. But as you walk through those layers, you can see that those layers were different elements of time. Really? So rock layers are clock. Clown show. You see this? You see all this that you're mindlessly parroting? That you tried to pull the wool over everyone's eyes? This belly laugher is a formal logical fallacy, denying the antecedent. Follow. If P, then Q. Not P, therefore not Q. So let's just add it to your little train wreck above. If they are buried together, P, then they both existed together, Q. They're not buried together, not P, therefore they didn't exist together, therefore not Q. You see, this is what you get for parrot and wiki. So, Toady, in conclusion, you're a certifiable Wiki Discovery Channel parroting pretender clown AAA retard. Thanks for your ear. Have a nice day.
And with that, I'll say if you are watching this on the Nathan Oakley premiering stream, then stay tuned, as there will be an after show to follow. However, if you're watching this live on Nathan Oakley 1980, this is where we bid you farewell. A massive thank you to all who joined, smashed the super chat, liked, commented, shared, subscribed, and all of that good stuff. And of course, a massive thank you to all of today's debating panel for making this live debate possible. Be sure to check out the Flat Earth Debate Forum at nathanoakley.com. I've been Nathan Oakley, and I'll see you all in the next video. Stay tuned if you're watching on Nathan Oakley.
Oh, what a day! What a lovely day!